Adultery is adultery. It doesn't matter the times. Fornication is fornication. It doesn't matter. If you are married, you sleep with the one you are married to, all alone. If you are single, you wait until you are married. As Joel, as Patapati, as Patapato, as Tindatiti, as Tindatin. If you are in business, you don't take bribes. You don't do bribes. You are a man of God. Hallelujah. The gospel does not change. If you are entrusted with monies, you don't steal other people's monies. If you are in procurement, you don't go around
telling people that I'm the one who's going to sit there.
And you call yourself a child of God. The message of the gospel does not change.
Bread is not going to
YouTube.
Because you're on YouTube
This is a sin in fear.
This is a sin in here. Even in the message doesn't change. Even in Utenake it doesn't change.
Whether I'm wearing a suit or I'm wearing a skinny jean, it does not matter. The gospel is fire. It must come out as it is.